Moving your entire household can be overwhelming. Have you ever wondered if movers disassemble beds and other furniture during a move? At 3 Movers, we've got you covered with our full-service moving solutions, including bed disassembly and reassembly. Since we started over 20 years ago, 3 Movers has become a leader in the moving industry, offering a full range of services. Whether you're moving locally or across the country, we understand the challenges of moving, and our goal is to make it easier for you. From disassembling your furniture to safely transporting your belongings, our team is ready to make your move as smooth as possible. When moving large furniture items, disassembling them can make a world of difference. Large beds, for example, can be difficult to move through narrow stairwells and elevators without taking them apart first. Disassembling makes it easier to pack, load, and transport these items, reducing the risk of damage. By disassembling your bed, you can also avoid complications when loading the truck and save time, which can help lower your overall moving costs. While we can move many larger furniture items without taking them apart, some pieces are best disassembled before the move. These include beds and bed frames, bunk beds, IKEA or ready-to-assemble furniture, dining tables, dressers and mirrors, home entertainment centers, wardrobes, cabinets, and drawers. And don't forget, when disassembling furniture, be sure to store the hardware, like screws and bolts, in labeled Ziploc bags. This will make reassembly much easier when you get to your new home. Once you've reached your new home, we don't stop at just unloading. We'll also reassemble your bed and any other disassembled furniture. Our team takes great care to make sure everything is put back together just right. When you hire 3 Movers, you're getting more than just transportation. Our full-service moving packages include everything from packing to disassembly and reassembly of your furniture. And the best part, our disassembly and reassembly services are included in our overall pricing structure, so there are no hidden fees. You get everything you need for one affordable price. Ready to get started on your next move? Contact 3 Movers for a free quote and let us handle everything, from disassembling your furniture to reassembling it in your new home. Call us at 888-202-0036 or visit our website to fill out a quick quote form.